The Association of Nigerian Health Journalists Anhej has appealed to President Bola Tinubu to implement 15% of the Abuja Declaration of its country's annual budget to the health sector to curb the increasing rate of maternal mortality deaths in the country. President of the Association Joseph Kadiri gave the charge during the opening of the 7th Annual Conference of Anhej on Thursday, 7th December 2023 in Nasarawa State. He said the allocation of 1.33 trillion, representing 5% of the entire 2024 proposed budget, is abysmally low and harped on the need to deploy more funds to the health sector to ensure the full implementation of the Basic Healthcare Provision Fund. Joseph, while lamenting the federal government's inability to draw lessons from the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, despite the already strategizing efforts seen from many countries towards mobilizing resources to curb future epidemics, added that prioritizing adequate funds will boost health security for the attainment of universal health coverage.
All these ugly statistics can be changed for the better with adequate funding. The allocation of 1.33 trillion naira, representing 5% of the 2024 proposed budget, is abysmally low. With reference to the Abuja Declaration, which stipulates that allocation to health sector should be 15% of the country's total budget.
Meanwhile, the country director budget, Gabriel Okiwo, represented by Rachel Abuja, the vice president of the Anhej, dwelling on sub-theme 3, improving access to healthcare, the role of the primary healthcare. He calls for a collective approach to ensuring that PHCs are well equipped and accessible to all, even as he urges for storytelling that will enhance positive impact of community-based PHC on areas that require urgent attention. The event was put together to award personalities who have made an impact in promoting health security in various ministries and agencies. On receiving the award, the Director General, National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Professor Moji Adeyeye, represented by the Special Advisor, Natin Dadi, and the ex-Executive Secretary, Dr. Fizia Shuaib of the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, represented by Mohammed Oyutoto, while noting the Anhej contribution to the country's polio-free certification, stressing that adequate communication is key to eliminating diseases and sicknesses in the country.
It only assures her that she is stepping in the right direction and she is doing her very best to ensure that the Nigerian public have access to the best medicines and foods and other regulated products available in this country.
Anhej was there for NPHCDA in the fight against Ebola, and Ebola was crushed within a very short time. Right close by here in 2020, Anhej, talking to Nigerians and making things very clear to Nigerians, mothers and parents. Again, the wild polio virus was brought down. All of us are living witnesses that today, COVID-19 is simply a name. It's a toothless bulldog because you have encouraged Nigerians to accept this immunization.
We keep hearing new diseases and new treatment models. It is our duty that we educate our people.
The theme of the 3 days conference is Health Security, Nigeria's efforts to achieve universal health coverage, with the sub-theme on several burning health issues aimed at taking stock of progress and challenges to critical areas that require urgent attention, particularly on the current diphtheria outbreak, which has claimed over 600 lives from over 7,000 cases. Vincent Okushi reporting for Quality Television.